Hi everybody, so this is Kelly and welcome back to my channel. And what we're doing today is an experiment. I hope that the lighting is okay. And anyway, I'm still obviously, this is going to be months and months of stuff. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I have this chicken which I put in the refrigerator to unthaw last night, but it's still frozen. I'm going to take that and I'm going to take some of this Kitchen Basics chicken stock, and I went to a local store that was recommended to me, and I've never worked with these before. These are dehydrated vegetables, and so I thought that I would put them all together and see what happened. So let's see if it works. So I've already started the oven. I preheated it to 350. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know the angles or anything like that. Okay, so it might require a little extra time. Yes, Hamlet, hello. Okay, so, alright. Well, originally I was going to use a cast iron skillet, but this was the only pan I could find. So, we are just going to pour it in. Because why not, right? Now, so the idea is these, oops, yeah, that should be okay, right? Okay, so I've never worked with dehydrated vegetables before, and what these are there's carrots and onions and parsley and red pepper and green pepper and some other stuff. So the idea is to make like a chicken and vegetables sort of a situation. And apparently I don't remember how I twisted this together. So if you remember my other food videos, what the heck? Okay. Alright, so I can't find any measuring cups either. So I'm just going to get, I don't know, like what's that, like a half a cup, maybe? Okay. Because I don't know whether this works like rice and it's a 2-to-1 or what. There's another handful, because why not? And yeah, here, let me grab a spoon and, yes, I see you. I'm gonna grab a knife anyway. So yeah, anyway, the store is fantastic. It has all of these bulk items, stuff I've never seen before, which was awesome. And because this is just simply dehydrated vegetables, I thought that it smells really good. I'm making a mess. Okay, I don't know what the right way to reuse these vegetables is, but I'm hoping that the liquid to vegetables is right. Anyway, that should do it. So, enough lollygagging. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven for, well, hang on. I'm going to set the cooking time, I know, isn't this fancy, for, I think, 45 minutes. And so I'm going to pop it in the oven. And wish me luck. So I'll be back when it's done and let you know how it goes. and bada boom. That's it. Okay, so see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back, and it has been 45 minutes, so I'm going to take this out. Sorry for all of this. I told you everything's still in boxes. So, here we go. It should be done. Let's see. See, I don't know. You know, chicken, for me, it's better to be safe than sorry with this sort of thing. So, I tell you what, I am going to put it back in for about 10 minutes, because this is just a little too, yeah, a little too raw for me. But I'm really, really loving what I'm seeing with the dehydrated vegetables. I bet that tastes really good. Anyway, so I'm going to pop it in for another 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and chicken. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes or so. I forgot to, I thought I set my timer, but I was just a smarty pants, and apparently I haven't figured out all the things. So this looks really good. You see this? Look at those vegetables. So I bet you this is done. And let's see. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so let us, I guess let us plate it, shall we? Oops. Okay. Another piece. And then I suppose, well, I guess I should have tried to find a bigger spoon. But I wonder what else. This would be this dried. Oh, there's celery in here too. It looks like. That's good. So I'll have to continue experimenting and see what else I can come up with. Let's take a taste of this chicken. Okay. So I cooked it just a tad too long. So I'd say maybe, I bet you 45 minutes would be right if it hadn't been still a little bit frozen. So that's my bad. But I really like it. So this was just chicken and half a container of chicken broth, and probably, what, a cup? Maybe a cup and a quarter of dehydrated vegetables. Awesome. So I'll write down what I did in the description blocks. But if you like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, send me any of your questions, your comments, anything you want me to try. Like I said, this was just an experiment, so I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope you are too. So, yeah, give me a shout out in the comments below. Thanks a lot.